most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Been spending most our lives living in a gangster's paradise. Why are we so blind to see us we heard? Are you and me? Tell me why blind to see that the one we heard. I just been drunk. That's why I know my life is out of luck. Oh. Hour after hour, everybody's turning, but half of them ain't looking at what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's cooking. They say I got to learn, but nobody didn't teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of love. Oh.